Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy, students and staff. Hi, this is Alexis coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, January 11, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 55 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 56 and a low of 16, with rain. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Joshua, Daniel, Simon, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports. Last night, the Bulls lost to the New York Knicks by a score of 122 to 119. And the Blackhawks lost to the Minnesota Wild by a score of 2 to 1. Clubs meeting today are Primary Reading Club at 11:20 in room 201. And 5th grade Fuse Club in room 208 at 3 o'clock. Today's announcements are today's Pizza Thursday. Come down at lunch and buy a slice of pizza for only $2. Now a message from Mr. Smelger.
Thank you, Alexis. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Thursday. A nice rainy Thursday out there. Today is, and because it's a rainy Thursday, this is perfect. It is, I have to read this just to make sure I get it right, National Step in the Puddle and Splash Your Friends Day. They timed that perfectly, don't you think? It's also National Milk Day, so if you enjoy a cold carton of milk, you can have that at lunch. You can see I have a couple of special guests here. It is our representatives for Classroom of the Week. So you want to introduce yourselves and kind of tell us a little bit about your classroom?
I'm Gabby, and this is Sam, and we're room 210.
Who's your teacher?
Mr. Salvo.
Okay.
And we're Classroom of the Week.
All right. Anything special going on in room 210 this week? What are you learning about? And don't say nothing because Ms. DeSalvo knows that you're learning about a lot of things.
In literacy, we are currently reading
Okay, legends and myths. Cool.
In writing, we begin research on different women to complete biographs.
Okay, so you're researching different women too, and you're working on biographies? All right. Sam, what do you have to add?
In science, we are learning about Biosphere 2 and making food chain posters for specific ecosystems.
Okay, so food chains. What was the first one?
Learning about Biosphere 2.
Oh, Biosphere 2. Cool. Anything else you'd like to add?
We have 2 review days.
All
for
right,
math.
2 review days in math. That must mean there's a test coming up.
Yep.
And we were also talking about Sam's shirt. He'd flex, but he likes this shirt, so, right? All right. Have a great day, or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Smelger.
You're welcome, Alexis.
Thursday's thought is, you don't have to see the whole world staircase. Just take the first step. That's all for today. This week's pictures and sign-offs have been brought to you by the 6th graders in room 210. Have a twinkly light Thursday.